Hello and welcome to today's video on the science behind weight loss foods. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 helpful pieces of information that can guide you in making smart food choices to support your weight loss goals. Losing weight is a common goal for many people, but it can be a challenging process without the right information and strategies. That's why we've compiled this list of evidence-based tips to help you on your weight loss journey. From the role of energy density to the importance of protein and fiber, we'll cover a range of topics that can help you make healthier choices and feel more confident in your food decisions. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about the science behind weight loss foods. 1. The energy density of foods plays an important role in weight loss. Foods with low energy density, such as fruits and vegetables, can help you feel full on fewer calories. The energy density of foods refers to the number of calories per unit of volume or weight. Foods with low energy density typically contain fewer calories but more water, fiber, and nutrients compared to foods with high energy density. This means that you can eat a larger volume of low energy density foods while consuming fewer calories, which can help you feel full and satisfied while supporting your weight loss goals. Some examples of low energy density foods include fruits, vegetables, broth-based soups, and lean proteins such as chicken breast or fish. Incorporating more of these foods into your diet can be a helpful strategy for managing hunger and reducing calorie intake. 2. Fiber-rich foods are helpful for weight loss because they can help you feel full and satisfied. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are all good sources of fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that is not digested by the body, so it passes through the digestive system relatively intact. This means that fiber-rich foods can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time, which can be helpful for weight loss by reducing your overall calorie intake. In addition, fiber can also help regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and support heart health. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are all excellent sources of fiber, with some of the highest fiber content found in foods such as oatmeal, beans, berries, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. Incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet can be a simple and effective way to support your weight loss goals and overall health. 3. Protein is an important nutrient for weight loss because it can help you feel full and satisfied. High-protein foods include lean meats, fish, beans, and legumes. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a key role in building and repairing tissues, producing hormones and enzymes, and maintaining healthy immune function. But did you know that protein can also be helpful for weight loss? High-protein foods can help you feel full and satisfied for longer periods of time, which can reduce hunger and prevent overeating. In addition, protein can also help to maintain lean muscle mass, which is important for a healthy metabolism and weight management. Good sources of protein include lean meats such as chicken and turkey, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, and legumes. Incorporating more protein into your meals and snacks can be a helpful strategy for supporting your weight loss goals and overall health. 4. Eating small, frequent meals throughout the day can help keep your metabolism revved up and prevent overeating at mealtime. The idea of eating small, frequent meals throughout the day to boost metabolism and prevent overeating is a common weight loss strategy. While there is some debate among experts about the effectiveness of this approach, there is evidence to suggest that it can be a helpful strategy for some people. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can help to regulate blood sugar levels, reduce hunger, and prevent overeating at mealtime. This can be particularly beneficial for people who struggle with snacking or overeating in the evening. However, it's important to note that the total number of calories consumed throughout the day is still the most important factor in weight loss. So, while eating smaller, more frequent meals may be helpful for some, it's not a magic bullet for weight loss. The key is to find an eating pattern that works best for you and supports your overall health and weight loss goals. 5. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss because it can help you feel full and may help to boost your metabolism. Drinking plenty of water is essential for weight loss because it can help you feel full, stay hydrated, and may even help to boost your metabolism. When you drink water before or during meals, it can help to fill your stomach and reduce your appetite, which can lead to eating fewer calories overall. In addition, drinking water can also help to improve digestion, regulate body temperature, and support healthy kidney function. Staying hydrated is important for overall health and well-being, and it's especially important when you're trying to lose weight. Aim to drink at least 8 cups, 64 ounces, of water per day, or more if you're exercising or in a hot environment. Drinking water can also be a helpful alternative to sugary drinks like soda or juice, which can be high in calories and contribute to weight gain. 6. Avoiding processed and packaged foods can help you lose weight because they are often high in calories, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Avoiding processed and packaged foods can be an effective strategy for weight loss because they are often high in calories, sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives that can contribute to weight gain and poor health. Many processed and packaged foods are also low in fiber, protein, and other important nutrients, which can lead to overeating and hunger cravings. Instead, focus on incorporating whole, nutrient-dense foods into your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods tend to be more filling and satisfying, and can help to reduce calorie intake while providing the essential nutrients your body needs. By avoiding processed and packaged foods and choosing whole foods instead, you can support your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. 7. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups can help ensure that you are getting all the nutrients you need while also helping you lose weight. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups is key to supporting weight loss while ensuring that you are getting all the essential nutrients your body needs. Each food group provides unique nutrients that are important for overall health and well-being, so it's important to include a variety of foods from each group in your diet. For example, fruits and vegetables are excellent sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while lean proteins like chicken, fish, and beans can help to build and repair tissues, support immune function, and maintain muscle mass. Whole grains like brown rice and quinoa provide complex carbohydrates for energy, while healthy fats like avocado and nuts can help to promote satiety and support heart health. Eating a balanced diet can help you feel full and satisfied while providing the nutrients your body needs to support healthy weight loss. Aim to fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support your weight loss goals and overall health. 8. Cooking at home and preparing your own meals can be a helpful weight loss strategy because it allows you to control the ingredients and portion sizes. Cooking at home and preparing your own meals can be a highly effective weight loss strategy because it puts you in control of the ingredients and portion sizes of your meals. When you cook at home, you can choose healthier ingredients, like fresh fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, and avoid unhealthy additives like excess sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats that are commonly found in restaurant and packaged foods. You can also control the portion sizes of your meals, which can be especially important for weight loss, as larger portions tend to be higher in calories and can contribute to overeating. By cooking at home and preparing your own meals, you can ensure that you are eating a healthy and balanced diet while also supporting your weight loss goals. It can also be a fun and creative way to experiment with new flavors and cuisines, while saving money and reducing food waste. 9. Cutting back on sugar and refined carbohydrates can be an effective weight loss strategy because they can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and cravings. Cutting back on sugar and refined carbohydrates can be an effective weight loss strategy because these foods can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by crashes, which can leave you feeling tired, hungry, and craving more sugar and refined carbs. Refined carbohydrates, such as white bread, pasta, and rice, have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients, which can lead to quick digestion and absorption, causing blood sugar spikes. On the other hand, added sugars, such as those found in sweetened drinks and desserts, can also contribute to weight gain and increased risk for chronic diseases like obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. By cutting back on these types of foods, you can help to stabilize your blood sugar levels, reduce hunger and cravings, and support healthy weight loss. Instead, focus on incorporating whole foods, like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, into your diet. These foods are typically lower in sugar and refined carbohydrates, and are higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which can help to promote satiety, regulate blood sugar levels, and support overall health and well-being. 10. Incorporating physical activity into your weight loss plan can help you burn calories and improve your overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Incorporating physical activity into your weight loss plan can be a highly effective strategy for burning calories, increasing metabolism, and improving overall health. Exercise can help to create an energy deficit, which means you are burning more calories than you are consuming, leading to weight loss. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, to support healthy weight loss. Additionally, strength training exercises, such as weightlifting or resistance band exercises, can help to build and maintain muscle mass, which can boost metabolism and help to burn more calories throughout the day. Exercise also has numerous other health benefits, such as improving cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and improving mental health and well-being. When combined with healthy eating habits, exercise can be a powerful tool for supporting sustainable and long-term weight loss. And there you have it, 10 helpful pieces of information about the science behind weight loss foods. We hope this video has provided you with useful insights and strategies that you can use to support your weight loss journey. Remember, making healthier food choices is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to losing weight. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and managing stress are also important factors that can contribute to your success. So take these tips and incorporate them into your lifestyle in a way that works for you. And most importantly, be patient and kind to yourself. Sustainable weight loss takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and support, you can achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.